Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to clean out your cheapy paint pots. These were pretty much done with. I just reminded myself to actually record. So I've already done one, but just stick them into some water for a couple days. And because they are water-based, it's easy to clean out. Me, I just use a baby wipe because that'll cling on to most of what's left. And you're done. Stick them in some warm water for a couple days and grab a wipe and you're done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and all the other stuff. Don't forget to check out the Look art, and I'll be having fun later on. Check you later. Namaste.